Children are the foundation of a promising future of the country. But what if these children are deprived of their basic rights? Statistics say that there are approximately 12.6 million child laborers in India. Surveys have shown that approximately 41 lakh children work in cotton fields.
क्या आपको बच्चों के अधिकार के बारे में पता है कुछ? कोई अधिकार का पता नहीं है।
मोटा लोगों का अधिकार वही है, बच्चा को कोई अधिकार कौन मानता हो तो ध्यान है।
माना तो आज तक कोई पता हो नहीं,
कोई ध्यान कौन नहीं।
बाल अधिकार के बारे में पता है?
बाल अधिकार का पता नहीं है, हमें पता नहीं है भैया।
A grassroots campaign using innovative tool of video vans was chosen for creating child rights awareness. And the journey began. Save the Children collaborated with Haryana and Punjab government to ensure that the message reaches masses and campaign receives administration support at the ground level. Chief Minister Shri Manohar Lal Khattar launched the campaign in Haryana on 8 March 2015. The event was well received by the media, and as a proud moment, the Chief Minister himself posted the launch pic on his Facebook page. In villages, the Sarpanch and other village heads also received the campaigns by cutting the ribbon. It added a sense of belongingness and respect. This also ensured quick support and acceptance for the campaign.
सुन लो बात पते की बात मजे की।
The campaign avoided preaching villagers, but an insightful comedy showcasing the questions coming to the minds of rural people about child rights and its logical answers were presented through a Nukkad Natak.
हमारे गांव में एक वैन आई, जिसके बाद हमें इस बारे में पता चला कि हमारे गांव में भी एक बाल सेवा समिति है। इसमें हमें हमारे 4 अधिकारों के बारे में बताया गया: समानता, शिक्षा, सम्मान और सुरक्षा।
ये तो हुई मीरा की कहानी, लीला मौसी अब याद आएगी नानी।
मैंने जेड़ा मुंडा पतंग ढाई जांदी हो वधिया लग्या जी, ते बाकी सारा शो भी वधिया लग्या जी। पर 18 साल तो पहला किसी कुड़ी दा नहीं विआह करना चाहिए, 21 साल तो पहला मुंडे दा नहीं करना चाहिए।
पहला सवाल है ये कि आपने जो नुक्कड़ नाटक देखा।
The question and answer sessions following the film ensured that messages have reached its audience, and children giving their right answers proves that they were well received indeed. Who does not like to play? Special games on child rights were designed for this campaign. They ensured community participation and also a sense of receiving these rights for children virtually. We in Save the Children believe every child has equal rights, and thus everyone wins at Save the Children campaigns. Giveaways were distributed to all the children with messages on child rights. It ensured an impact of the campaign post-event as well. People wholeheartedly supported the campaign. Over 1,80,000 people pressed the buzzer for showing their support to the campaign, which said, "Yes, I accept. Children have rights."
Yes, children have rights. हाँ, बच्चों के अधिकार हैं। हिसार में 11 तारीख को आई थी और गांव-गांव में जाकर उस वैन ने, उसके साथ में हमारी DCPS की टीम ने और सेव द चिल्ड्रन NGO ने काफ़ी अच्छा कार्य किया है। और बच्चे जो कि हमारे देश का भविष्य हैं, जिनके हाथ में हमारा सब कुछ है आगे, उनके भी अधिकार हैं, उनकी भी इच्छाएं हैं, उनकी भी मानसिकता पे हम ध्यान दें। इस चीज़ के लिए एक बहुत अच्छा कदम है और हम चाहेंगे कि आगे भी ऐसे कार्य करते रहें।
The campaign reached 833 villages and over 2,34,000 people were enriched at the idea of child rights. We might still be far from achieving our dream of having a community where all children have their rights. However, this campaign would surely prove as a milestone where the community learnt about child rights and agreed to provide them to children.